All right. You know that some persons find it very difficult to drive traffic to their products and services using Facebook ads, and you see a lot of videos where people say that they give you training on how to run a very sponsored ad that gives you traffic and all that. And sometimes you've spent a whole lot of money trying to get traffic, but you don't really get the type of traffic you need for your ad. All right. So in this video, I will show you how to use AI to run ads. All right, AI to run a compliant ad, because sometimes Facebook may even restrict your account from running ad because your ad does not comply with meta policies. So I want to show you how to run ad using AI, and an ad that will comply with Facebook policy, and an ad that will give you massive leads. All right, an ad that will comply with Facebook policy and give you the type of lead you want. And I will also give you the right place to channel your ad to get leads, because sometimes you are channeling your ad to a wrong place. And when you channel your ad to the wrong place, if maybe the landing page is not the right place to channel your ad to, you sometimes your prospects or your customers may get stuck on the way and they will leave because they don't want anything that will stress them. In fact, even if you are the one, if you see an ad, you are interested in it and you want to get in, and the process of trying to get in is difficult for you, you will not proceed. That is why I'll be doing this video training on how to run ads. And see, let me tell you, forget about those who are telling you that running ads on directly on your Facebook page or boosting your post will not give you the lead. Yes, of course, there are people who says that the best place to run ad is using ads manager or using a business suite and all that. But let me tell you, you can use your phone and run ad directly on Facebook. You can boost that post and still get the leads you want. All you need to do is use the right demography. If you use the right demography and channel your ad to the right audience, you will get your lead. The reason majority of you don't get leads is because you use a very low budget to target large audience. If you use a low budget, you don't target large audience, target limited number of people. If your ad budget is something like 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira or 20,000 naira, you don't need to start targeting the whole Nigeria. You are running ads, you are targeting the whole Nigeria using little budget. No, if your ad budget is little, you should be targeting very little. You can even decide to target a particular city in a state. You don't even target the whole state. That is what is going to give you good audience. Like, it will going to give you good traffic. Not only that, it is also going to uh, 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 give you a lot of leads if you do what, if you target the right audience. So in this Facebook ad training, I'm going to show you the best way to run ads using the help of artificial intelligence, because artificial intelligence can give you the good ad copy, and artificial intelligence can give you the right audience you should target for that particular ad to give you the maximum result. And then I'll also give you the right place landing page for your Facebook ad. So let's get started.